Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a chart using data on Google Sheets. So you're just going to select your data here and you're going to select insert, and then you're just going to simply select the chart. So there's one for pie chart. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. You can also customize it to, where is the one that I want to, change the chart type. So I'm just going to copy and paste that, and then let's go to setup and then go to the chart type, and then you can also do this kind of chart if you'd like to, but you can choose from a lot of chart types here on Google Sheets. It is that simple, honestly. But yeah, that is it. You can also change the border color. You can also change the color of the series as well here, I think. Yeah, here. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!